So I'd say that realistically, no matter what the project is, always color grade by using an adjustment layer. And by using an adjustment layer, you don't even have to nest the clips. So to do this, we're going to hover over this track right here, right in line with our video clip number 1, but below all of our effects because we don't need to color grade those. We're going to select Add Track. Now what this does, it moves everything up without changing the position. And then if we head over to our assembly, so we click up in the top right hand corner, select the assembly panel, all of our tools and video clips and logos we've imported and sound effects are all in this assembly panel. So we can see exactly what we have in our video editing project right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to select new item down here, adjustment layer right here, select OK, it's already got the right default settings. It's going to come up here as plain black, and we're going to drag and drop it directly onto our timeline. Now we're going to head back over to the editing panel because it makes it a bit nice so we can see more stuff about what's going on. And we're going to drag and drop this adjustment layer to the end of our clip. Thank you for watching today's video. If you'd like to check out my online courses, which covers more of the same, they're linked down below. I promise you, they are a great use of time. I've been editing now for 8 years. I've been on YouTube now for 8 years. And so I've got a lot of skills and knowledge that I'd like to share with you in the course down below. Thank you.